I know it's kind of scary out there. A lot of businesses are having a hard time. And I've been giving a lot of thought to this, and I actually have some good news to share because there is a way to sustain successful businesses by giving people star treatment, an environment where they are not just your employees, they are their star players that are making the organization thrive, bringing innovation, and propelling your company forward. That sounds pretty good, I hope. Because you have to understand, with so many opportunities, employees are no longer going to accept basic perks and superficial incentives as what they're looking for. The steady decline that you might be experiencing in your business right now, a lot of that is directly linked to ineffective leadership. In fact, 77% of your people are quote unquote quitting because of that. And here's what they're saying: my boss doesn't care about me, so why should I care about giving my best? And this is why star treatment matters. It's the answer, but it's not what you're thinking. It isn't about spoiling and pandering to employees because, look, who wants to be part of an organization filled with divas? But your people, they want to stand out like stars. They want to be seen and heard and valued for the contributions they make. And stars deliver. I mean, look at this superstar, Taylor Swift, highest grossing tour ever. She did 149 sold out shows over 18 months. That is some stamina. And it makes you wonder, how did she do that over and over and over again? The same song sets and not get bored. The answer was she had this continuous source of energy coming back to her night after night. And you know where it was coming from? Her fans. They told Taylor that she was the star they came to see. And so she gave them this Eras Tour experience that they came to receive. And it actually leads us to the question we should be asking ourselves, which is, am I giving my people the star treatment they deserve so that they give our company and customers the star experience we need in their performance? I've developed this 5-point system, and it empowers you to engage your employees in a radically different way from anything you've done before. It creates genuine connection and boosts morale while driving long-term success. And it starts really simply by acknowledging contribution, catching people doing right things, and celebrating them for it. Want to explore how you can bring star treatment to your leadership development program? Just scan the QR code and let's chat.